In the late 19th century, a new era dawned, marked by rapid industrialization and a relentless pursuit of natural resources. Amidst this, a group of visionaries emerged, united by a common cause, the preservation of America's wilderness. This was the birth of the Sierra Club, a movement that would redefine the relationship between man and nature. John Muir, a man of Scottish descent with a profound love for the outdoors, stood at the helm of this revolutionary organization. A man who could find God in every tree, Muir was a tireless advocate for the preservation of the nation's natural wonders. The Sierra Club's first great battle began in 1890, with the proposed development of the Hetch Hetchy Valley, a pristine paradise nestled within Yosemite National Park. The valley, proposed to be flooded to create a reservoir, was seen as a solution to San Francisco's growing water crisis. Muir, along with his fellow club members, saw this as a catastrophe. They argued that the flooding would not only destroy the valley's breathtaking beauty but also disrupt the delicate balance of the park's ecosystem. The Sierra Club launched a relentless campaign, using every tool at their disposal, from petitions to public demonstrations, to oppose the project. Their efforts were not without opposition. Powerful political figures and business magnates, driven by the promise of progress and prosperity, supported the Hetch Hetchy Valley project. They saw the Sierra Club as obstacles to be overcome, not voices to be heard. In 1906, disaster struck. The Great San Francisco earthquake devastated the city, highlighting the urgency of the water crisis. Despite this, the Sierra Club refused to back down. Muir wrote impassioned letters to President Theodore Roosevelt, appealing to his love for the outdoors and his duty to preserve America's natural heritage. Roosevelt, impressed by Muir's determination and eloquence, decided to intervene. In 1913, he signed a bill that protected Yosemite National Park, including the Hetch Hetchy Valley, from development. It was a monumental victory for the Sierra Club and a testament to the power of perseverance and the importance of preserving nature. The battle for Yosemite was not just a fight for a valley. It was a fight for the soul of America, a struggle to balance progress with reverence for the natural world. The Sierra Club, under the leadership of John Muir, stood as a beacon of hope, a testament to the power of the individual to make a difference, and a reminder that the wilderness is worth fighting for. In the decades that followed, the Sierra Club continued to fight for the preservation of America's wilderness. From the redwood forests of California to the Appalachian Mountains, their efforts have shaped the landscape of the United States, ensuring that future generations would inherit a world of unspoiled beauty. The story of the Sierra Club's battle for Yosemite is a testament to the power of one man's vision and the determination of a group of like-minded individuals. It is a story that continues to inspire, a testament to the enduring battle between progress and preservation, and a reminder that every fight for the wilderness is a fight worth fighting.